Hi, this is Mark Strongman, Global Business Development Director for Multi Radiance Medical. We manufacture super pulse lasers that are incredibly capable for human and veterinary. But we're always looking at ways to improve. We've done a lot of peer-reviewed research that set us apart from the rest of the industry. But what else could we do to make the whole training process easier, more consistent, so that you as a veterinarian know that you're always getting it just right for your clients, and that when your clients take our rental lasers home, they know they're getting it just right to get the best possible outcome. Well, we've taken a technology that was developed many years ago, but recently became much more popularized. The Apple Pay system, Chase Pay. These are using near-field communications, and this is a very exciting technology that uses a very tiny printable electrical circuit, and it's this little tag inside this little thing. It's about not even an inch in diameter. But when we apply that to our pug, now we have a way to convey information, but something more. We can use a very simple app. And on the Apple, we're just using a little NFC reader app, and we just touch scan right over here. And then all we have to do is touch that disc. And you see that check mark? You're now going to our dashboard where we can give you all kinds of great information from videos, tutorials, research, applications and case studies, vet-to-client laser rentals. Alan Schoen, one of the top 15 most influential vets, talking about his experience, always wanting to get a better outcome and enhance veterinary care for all creatures. But using this tutorial now gives you a way to have very consistent results in your practice, because we know some people don't like to read manuals. We understand that. So we're putting these videos together for you on this dashboard as part of our Multi Radiance Veterinary Network. And these tags on the back give you this ease of use. We all have our phones. If you leave home without it, what do? We go home and we get it. So now we have this marvelous way to communicate all kinds of great information to you. In fact, a future version will even tell you where your rental lasers are and how much income they've generated for you that month to date. So the Multi Radiance Veterinary Network, that's something you definitely want to know more about. With our new dashboard, utilizing near-field communications, I think you'll find it very exciting and a great way to use in your practice.